In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Roblox error code 264. First, to resolve the issue, start by restarting your computer. Click on the Start button, select the Power button, and then choose Restart. Once your computer has restarted, attempt to reopen Roblox. If the problem persists, it may be because you are signed in on another device. Make sure that you are not logged into Roblox on any other devices. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, it is possible that your account has been compromised. To fix this, visit roblox.com and log into your account. Then, click on the gear icon located on the upper right corner and access the settings on the left side. Navigate to the security section and scroll down to the bottom. Here, you will find a list of all the different places and devices where your account is logged in. If you notice any unfamiliar entries, click on the arrow to the right and select Log Out of Session to remove unauthorized access. To ensure completely security, scroll down further and click on Log Out of all other sessions. Confirm this action by clicking on Log Out. This will log you out from all devices and locations except for your current one, effectively securing your account. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.